This recording is by the LAMDA Chiswick Drama School of Chiswick Tutors in London, England. Date of recording, April 2018. Rain in Summer by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. How beautiful is the rain! After the dust and the heat, in the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane, how beautiful is the rain! How it clatters along the roofs like the tramp of hoofs, how it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. Across the window pane it pours, and swift and wide with a muddy tide. Like a river, down the gutter roars the rain, the welcome rain.